Adventure begins with a spark, and the Garmin Bounce is here to ignite it. Built for curious minds and endless energy, this smartwatch keeps kids active, connected, and safe. With fun activity tracking, instant messaging, and real-time location sharing, it turns every day into a new adventure. Strong, smart, and made to move, the Garmin Bounce gives kids freedom to explore and parents the peace of mind they deserve.
What's in the box?
In the box, you'll find the Garmin Bounce Kids Smartwatch, charging cable, and documentation pamphlets. Looking to keep your child connected and safe? Tap the link in the description below to get it on Amazon. Smart features. Track your child's location with the Garmin Junior app and get alerts when they enter or leave parent-defined areas, even when they move from their current location. With LTE connectivity, you can easily call, text, and locate your child. No phone needed. Your Bounce plan is managed by Garmin, with options to fit your family best. With a subscription, you can text your child's Bounce through the Garmin Junior app, and they can reply with emojis, sounds, or messages to approved contacts. Track your child's daily activity and sleep effortlessly through the Garmin Junior app. Stay informed about their movement, rest patterns, and overall wellness while motivating them to build healthy habits every day. Let your kids jam out to their favorite tunes through their watch or compatible headphones. Built to keep up with every adventure, the Bounce features a durable, swim-friendly design and a bright, colorful display that's easy to see indoors or out. Enjoy up to 2 days of battery life between charges, keeping the Bounce ready for every adventure without constant recharging. Specifications. Charge your watch. To charge the Garmin Bounce smartwatch, use the included cable to connect the watch's port to a USB-C power source, such as a computer or wall adapter. The watch will display the current battery level, and a full charge typically takes approximately 2.5 hours. Setup with app. Download the Garmin Junior app from the Google Play Store or App Store and install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Log in with your Garmin Connect credentials or create an account within the Garmin Junior app. Set up your family profile and add your child's profile. This step is required before pairing the Bounce smartwatch. Press and hold the top button to power on the watch. Select your preferred language and tap the checkmark to begin pairing. In the Garmin Junior app, select Start Setup and allow it to find nearby devices. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing. After pairing, you can customize settings such as Wi-Fi, Do Not Disturb, and School Mode for your child's watch. You can also purchase an LTE subscription and connect additional devices to stay linked and make the most of Bounce safety and communication features. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Garmin Bounce. See you in the next one.